The wait is finally over. The Garmin Venu 4 is here, and after spending just 24 hours with it, I can confidently say, this might be Garmin's most refined smartwatch yet. It's smarter, smoother, and packed with upgrades that make it feel like a true next-gen device. From the brighter AMOLED display and adaptive always-on mode, to the faster interface and new Gen 5 heart rate sensor, everything about the Venu 4 feels more polished. You'll notice it instantly. The animations are fluid, the readings are more accurate, and the entire experience just feels effortless. Garmin's gone all in on advanced health tracking, with an improved body battery, a smarter sleep coach, and deeper stress and recovery insights. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Plus, with better GPS accuracy, training readiness scores, and even voice assistant support, the Venu 4 is finally bridging the gap between fitness watch and true smartwatch. But here's the question. Is it worth upgrading from the Venu 3, and does it really compete with the Apple Watch or Samsung Galaxy Watch 7? Let's dive into my first 24-hour impressions of the Garmin Venu 4, and trust me, there's a lot to unpack. The smartwatch market just got a serious upgrade, because the Garmin Venu 4 is finally here, and after just 24 hours of hands-on use, it's already clear that this might be Garmin's most refined and balanced lifestyle smartwatch to date. While the Venu series has always been known for blending fitness tracking with smartwatch functionality, the Venu 4 feels like a true next-generation device. Smarter, smoother, and far more polished than its predecessors. Right out of the box, the Garmin Venu 4 impresses with its premium design. Garmin has slightly refined the chassis, giving it a thinner, sleeker form factor with more comfortable ergonomics. The new AMOLED display is simply stunning, brighter, more vibrant, and noticeably easier to read in direct sunlight. Garmin has also improved the always-on display mode, now offering adaptive brightness that automatically adjusts based on your environment. It's a small change, but it makes a big difference during everyday use. Whether you're running, cycling, or sitting in a meeting, the screen remains crisp and legible. One of the first things you notice in the Venu 4 is how fluid the interface feels. Garmin has clearly upgraded the internal hardware. Transitions, animations, and app loading are significantly faster compared to the Venu 3. The new Gen 5 Elevate heart rate sensor sits flush on the back, improving both comfort and accuracy. It delivers more reliable readings during high-intensity workouts and even picks up subtle changes in resting heart rate during sleep. Paired with enhanced HRV, heart rate variability analysis, Garmin is clearly leaning deeper into advanced health monitoring. Speaking of health, the Venu 4's wellness features go beyond what we've seen before. Garmin has expanded the body battery algorithm, which now takes into account stress, respiration rate, sleep cycles, and recovery time to give a more realistic assessment of your daily energy. The sleep coach is also smarter. It analyzes your patterns and provides daily suggestions on when to wind down or wake up, based on your recovery trends. For anyone who struggles with sleep consistency, this is a genuinely helpful addition. After 24 hours of testing, battery life appears to be solid. Garmin claims up to 10 days in smartwatch mode, and based on early impressions, that seems achievable even with the always-on display enabled. The new low-power mode helps extend battery life by intelligently reducing background processes while maintaining essential tracking. Garmin's optimization here is impressive.